What is your ex thinking during no contact? So many people that I coach want to know what their ex is thinking and what they're going to do next. And I appreciate the fact that many of you watching these videos want to be able to get inside your ex's head. And that's what we are here for. You can leverage our experience and our expertise to make sure that you position yourself to succeed. During the no contact period, however, I don't want you to be thinking about what your ex is thinking. It defeats the purpose. You will obsess and you're going to waste precious, valuable time and an opportunity to work on yourself so that we can speed up the process later. I will tell you what your ex is thinking, but before I do that, I need to tell you that you're not in the right mindset if that's what your mind is gravitating towards. The truth is, in most cases, an ex is happy to have their space, their freedom, and their independence. In the overwhelming majority of cases that I see in private coaching sessions, when you're broken up with, you make mistakes. You're vulnerable. You seek validation, reassurance. You want answers, rightfully so, as to why the breakup occurred. And all of this puts a tremendous amount of pressure on your ex. Perhaps they feel guilty. Perhaps they're hurt too. And they don't want to have to justify themselves continuously. They don't want to have to push you away again and again and again after the breakup has occurred. And so, at first, when the no contact begins, perhaps your ex finally feels free and happy. But that doesn't last very long because we human beings tend to overvalue what we've lost. And in truth, your ex will miss you because they're also wired to be in contact with you, used to communicate with you, and also thrive off of the validation that you give them. And so your ex will probably wonder what you're up to, who you're seeing, if you've moved on. But that's not the key, as I was saying. The key, of course, is how you are feeling, what you see when you look in the mirror. Are you able to rebuild your confidence? Because if you're able to do that, then your no contact will be successful. Ultimately, this process is not easy, but it can be so transformative. If you use this breakup the right way, you will feel so empowered that ultimately it would be your ex's loss if you were to not get back together. And that's the type of mindset that you need to cultivate. That's where you need to get to so that you have so much value and you're so confident about what you bring to the table that your ex will see the person that they fell for. It's important for you to understand that your ex also needs to go through a process of personal transformation in order for a future relationship to have any chance of success. Even if you've made tons of mistakes, I know from experience that your ex has made mistakes too. And you want to give them the time and the space to be able to understand those mistakes, to learn from them, and hopefully to grow and to make changes that will enable you both to be more mature, more compassionate, to have more empathy when you do reconnect. If you've made tons of mistakes and your ex said awful things to you because you wouldn't give them space, it's a little bit of a different situation. And it's going to take a little bit more time to reconnect with them in a healthy way. And perhaps this no contact is going to be a breath of fresh air for them. And they're not immediately going to just miss you and think about your positive traits and attributes. But that's okay. Because if you made those mistakes, it means that you need the time to be able to get back on your feet, to approach this process the right way. So all in all, Understand that the no contact is just one tool and not an end in and of itself. And ultimately, before we worry about what your ex is thinking, we need to make sure that you are in the right mindset, that you're focused on the right things. That is how we can maximize your chances of success. If you have specific questions on the no contact rule, I invite you to check out my audio seminar on the radio silence technique. It's an in-depth seminar that will tell you everything you need to know about the no contact and how to apply it to your very situation. If you need more insights on what you need to do to get your ex back, I invite you to click on the link in the description below. A link that will take you to a private video that will enable you to garner more knowledge and more insights on this process of how to get an ex back. This is what we do. This is our calling, our purpose, and we are delighted to be able to do this for you. Continue to keep fighting the good fight, believe in yourself, and good things are to come. Take good care.